Okay, this is a Whirlpool top loading washer. I'll step back and give you a second. During the spin cycle, at the very end of the spin cycle, it makes a pretty horrific sound, and I checked, I thought for 1 second that it might be that it's unbalanced, but I have a level and I've checked all the way around and it appears to be balanced. So I'm going to go ahead and replicate the sound in the hope that maybe somebody can help me identify what's going on here. So. Awesome. That's it. So anybody who has any insight into how to fix that or what might be wrong, much appreciated.